I should really expand this map out so that Activision doesn't sue me. Right, maybe we can remove this barrier over here and expand the map out there. Good idea. A bridge would be badass. Let's make one of those.
1 hour later.
Ooh, what if it was broken and the player needs to fix the bridge to get across?
1 hour later.
Although, how would you fix a broken bridge in a zombie game? Ooh, I know. What if there was a crane with a container hanging from it and you need to shoot the hook to drop the container, which will then act as a bridge for you to walk on?
1 hour later.
Sick. Great idea. Although it would be pretty lame if you could just shoot the hook with a pistol or something. It should require something bigger, like a rocket launcher. I don't have a rocket launcher though. Okay, let's make a rocket launcher then. Yeah, this model will do. Time to animate.
3 hours later.
Idle, equip, unequip, reload, done. Let's test this bad boy out. Why do the rockets do that?
1 hour later.
Right, fixed. Let's bring the zombos out. This is fun. Wait, why is that zombie doing that? Ugh, okay, his nav mesh is wonky. Let's fix that.
1 hour later.
Right, where were we? Oh, yes, testing the rocket launcher. Sweet, works like a charm. Easy peasy. Now, how exactly should the player get their hands on a rocket launcher? I guess we'll make it craftable. What combination of items makes a rocket launcher? Some fireworks, some explosives, some scrap parts? That makes sense. Seems like a good opportunity though to add another area to the map, like a general store in our little town that maybe sells milk and fireworks and ammo. Anyway, it really bugs me that to replace things in the scene view I have to delete them, add them back, and reset all the transform values. What a waste of freaking time. There must be a better way. I know, I'll add it to my 3D cursor asset.
Many hours later.
Sweet! So now I can just select the object and pick a replacement prefab and boom! Objects can be replaced just like that. What was I doing again? Oh right, crafting a rocket launcher. Sweet. We'll just pop the fireworks in here, then create plants for the weapon, and now we can go collect all these things and craft a rocket launcher. Sweet! Ugh, why can't I pick this rocket launcher up? Time to debug.
1 hour later.
Okay, cool. Now I can craft a rocket launcher and pick it up. So what was the point of this rocket launcher again? Oh, right, the bridge puzzle thingy. Okay, so I need to add some code to this hook area. And now, when it gets hit by a rocket launcher, nothing happens. Okay, debug.
1 hour later.
And now when it gets hit by a rocket launcher, boom, sweet, first puzzle done. Great, now we have a bridge to nowhere. I should totally make a devlog about going down the game dev rabbit hole.
Many